Justin?
Take a seat, brother. Okay.
Oh, switching up the look. I like it. Thanks. Hey, is Bernice here? No. What can I do for you? Well, kind of big news. I have a date tonight. Well, look out, Juliet. Here comes Romeo. I don't know about that. We have been messaging on Bumble a lot. She's really funny. I think you'd love her. Actually, she'd probably love you. So I'm definitely not gonna bring her around here. I am having trouble getting an erection.
Well, you don't need one right now.
No, I don't mean right now. I mean when
it's supposed
when
to
it's supposed to happen. Yes. Is that bad?
No. Well, I don't know.
Yeah, so apparently...
I've never had that problem.
I was looking up online
Ever.
and other guys...
Me, personally, I've never had that problem.
Statistics show that...
I think you're the only guy I know that has that problem.
Yeah.
It's okay, Jonathan. 4 out of 5 guys experience erectile dysfunction at some point, so no big deal.
Thank you.
We got this.
You're gonna go down to Happy Sad Flowers in Candler Park. It's easy enough to find. They've usually got these 2 sweet old men playing chess out front. Ask for Frankie. And Jonathan, if you've got needs, they can take care of you.
Hey, Casanova, little piece of advice. Don't take any meds on an empty stomach.
So, make sure to trim the ends when you get home and change the water every 2 days. Thank you. Hi there.
Hi, I'm looking for Frankie.
Well, that's me. How can I help ya?
I heard you could take care of me.
I'd be glad to help you put together an arrangement. Everything you see is priced by the stem. Is this a happy occasion or a sad occasion?
I've got needs. I've got needs.
I'm afraid everything you see is our entire inventory. Isn't that right, Peaches?
Yeah, that's right. Everything you see is everything we got.
Nice try, motherfucker.
We keep everything we got up here, up front. We do flowers, we do baskets, we do birthday parties. There ain't nothing for you here, pal! What you looking at? There ain't nothing in the back. You look at the back door, there ain't nothing there. It's a door that leads to a wall that leads to nothing.
I think there's been a mistake. Justin sent me to...
Oh my God, Justin sent you? Amarone, Peaches. Justin sent this guy.
Why didn't you say something soon? I was about to cut your fucking fingers off.
I was gonna have to use this.
Oh, this fucking guy.
Oh. I know what this is. You look nervous.
Yeah, I don't really... I don't know what's happening.
Hey, it's okay. 4 out of 5 men will experience this at some point in their life. Here she is.
Wow, that's big.
If you time it right, you can make it look real natural. Show up, look her right in the eyes, take it to the bedroom. She will have no idea that you took a boner pill. It's romantic.
Romantic. I like that. Thank you. This is gonna be really helpful.
Hey! Where are you going? Can't leave here with that. You gotta take it right now.
I haven't eaten anything yet.
So? That is a Schedule 1 black market Chinese amphetamine. It took 3 felonies just to get it in my possession, and it'll be a 4th one if you get busted when you walk out that door. Now, I know a snitch when I see one, and you would rat me out so fucking fast.
I wouldn't.
Fingato, pingliaculo. I mean, look at you. Spineless. You're a spineless man. If you want it, take the fucking pill.
Like I said, I haven't eaten anything yet, and I'm not supposed to.
Honey, when she sees you swinging that hammer, you're not even gonna make it to dinner.
Couldn't fight if I wanted, flying to places that I never thought I could go. You're a meteor shower, falling down all over me, yeah, you're making me glow. Couldn't fight if I wanted, flying to places that I never thought I could go. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Yeah, got me upside down, spinning around you. I wanna taste the clouds, dance with them. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed.
Do not, for any reason, make any calls on. You just fucked your car up on that fire hydrant.
Fire hydrant.
Yeah, your car's totaled, man. Your head.
Which way is Virginia Highlands?
Really? Dude, that's like 5 miles that way.
Okay.
Oh, we're getting out now?
I fell asleep, so I missed the date. But I was in a car that I was driving, and I hit a fire hydrant. So I came here. But then I hit a fire hydrant, so I came here, and I wanted to see my best friend.
Smart. First impressions are everything.
Yeah, I think I blew it. She's so nice.
Wait, do not lay down. Do not lay down.
Yeah, ma'am. Come on. You're gonna get blood on my couch. Did you happen to take any medication on an empty stomach after I specifically told you not to do that?
No?
Jonathan?
Yeah.
Well, at least you got what you wanted.